Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in a creek and I'm going to tell you what's an easy way to go through the creek. My best suggestion is stand up. It's way easier, you have way more control, and you know what, let's just get right into it. I will put that camera on, and also coming down too is just stand up. You have way more balance also, so let's just get right into it. Here we go. Yeah, stand up. Way more control. Be way more easier. But really what you want to do going across the creek, this is just what you can do. And yeah, it's just up to you. And coming down, I recommend standing up. Also, it would just be way more easier. Again, like that. And you know what, we'll do a sit down one too, so you guys can see what the difference is. And remember, I'm not the best at going through creeks. I just learned over the years what's the best, and I figured out the standing up is way more easier than sitting down, but that should be obvious that it is. All right, let's get this puppy turned around. And let's just you what you want to do. This is just my perspective. Maybe you can learn something out of this. And remember, I'm not the best. I'm just a rider. Hey, watch out, tree. Well, that's good. I took that out. All right. This is me sitting down through. See, not as, I think not as good. But yeah. But that's what I recommend if I was a rider trying to learn to go through some creeks. I know this isn't the biggest, this is the small, it's just riding through and all that, but it still kind of counts as a creek running through. You still have to go over a log, it's not like just rocks all the way through, so you still have like a challenge. But yeah, I recommend you guys to stand up, but your choice. It's just a suggestion. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you guys learned something from it. And if you guys haven't, help my channel out. Maybe subscribe, leave a like, maybe leave a comment too. And yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.